Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I sure hope your day is going better than mine. So I had no intention of making a video today. I've been busy doing some odds and ends work here, and I just went and picked up a tank full of water I had filled up, put it on a hay wagon running gear, and was bringing it up to my shop here to do some pressure washing on equipment, because I don't have running water here, so I pressure wash with a water tank, and had a little bit of an accident. Got a little bit carried away here. Maybe one of my straps came loose and this whole tank dropped down to the frame of the wagon. This wagon, of course, of all our wagons, this one doesn't have a deck on it. This is one I use for logging, so it's just the rails and I straddle it and have it strapped down, but that apparently didn't work too well. And to top everything off, in the meantime, until I got back here to the shop, a thunderstorm popped up and now it's raining. So I'm here by myself. This thing's leaking. I gotta pick up my kid from school in a half hour, and I don't want to leave this thing sit here like this overnight. So I'm gonna try to put some chains on this and take the loader and hopefully lift the whole thing up and get it back on the wagon. So let's give it a shot, see what else we can break today. Guess this is what you get for trying to do things too quickly. Could be worse. The tank didn't break, at least not yet, but it is a major inconvenience. Try that. Actually, I think I'm going to bring the loader over first. I'm rigged up, probably not well, but when in doubt, just pull on it and see what happens. Well, that worked much better than I expected it to. I guess I didn't have to show you guys that, but you know, part of this channel is the bad with the good. I don't do everything perfect. I never claim to. Sometimes stuff like this happens, so you just adapt and figure out a solution. And surprisingly, that went back on there, and luckily I'm at my shop now, and this isn't exactly where I planned on pressure washing, but I might just run a hose and do it right here rather than move this. And I think the next trip, if I keep it on this wagon, we're going to come up with a better solution than the ratchet straps. So that's it, guys. Just a short little video here showing you my screw up. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time. See ya.